Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue that many Windows 10 users face, the Start Search Not Working problem. If you're unable to use the search function in your Start menu, don't worry. We're going to walk through some simple fixes that can get it working again. Let's get started. Check Windows Search Service. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type Services MSC and hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and locate Windows Search. Right-click on Windows Search and select Restart. Now, try searching in the Start menu again and see if the issue is fixed. And that's it. These are some simple solutions to fix the Start Search Not Working issue in Windows 10. Hopefully, one of these fixes worked for you. If you have any questions or if you ran into any issues during the process, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.